From the moment humans have had the ability to take flight, the journey to make our aircraft safer and more efficient is constantly unfolding. Whether it's commercial airliners, military helicopters, or even spacecraft, the process of monitoring the safety and integrity of these impressive but high-maintenance vehicles has been the source of long hours and high costs. At Acellent, we refuse to be constrained by the typical, time-consuming methods of monitoring structural integrity. With our award-winning structural health monitoring system, we can detect the damage in the structure, identify the location, quantify the size of damage, and diagnose the best course of action for repair and replacement. The advantages of using this intuitive, powerful system for your aircraft inspection are numerous. The time for inspection using Acellent's structural health monitoring system is a matter of minutes as opposed to several days, lowering maintenance costs and increasing availability. While maintenance teams are saddled with labor-intensive training and limited inspection time, our system enables teams to automate their inspections that can be scheduled anytime, 24/7. Our system seamlessly integrates the power of smart layer sensors, data acquisition hardware, and AI-driven algorithms to give you the answers you need to get your aircraft off the ground and back into the air, where it belongs. Our state-of-the-art smart layers distribute a network of miniature multimodal sensors across your entire aircraft or in a particular hotspot, allowing you to perform in situ detection of structural damage, whether that's fatigue, cracks in the metal, delaminations in composites, damage inflicted during combat, and more. The system can be deployed for damage detection on demand, anytime and anywhere your concerns are highest on your aircraft. Whether it's on the wings, the fuselage of a commercial aircraft, the tail boom of a rotorcraft, and more, there are no limitations to where our technology can be used. Our team of experienced engineers will customize a solution that is tailor-made to complement the maintenance workflow of your platform. At Acellent, we will work with you to develop a system for inspecting your fleet of vehicles, whether on the ground, in the air, or in space. Acellent Technologies is excited to bring the future of structural health monitoring to market. Our innovative system is already in use by the best of the best in the commercial and military aircraft, helicopter, and space industries. It's time to take your aircraft maintenance to new heights. Acellent, smarter structures for a safer world.